In this video, I'm going to guide you how you can easily use DocSend. DocSend is an amazing tool that you can use for sharing documents. And the first thing that we are going to do, I'll click here, get started for free. Now, if you already own the account, completely skip this step. So I'm going to write an email right here and sign up for free. Now we are going to get an email verification. And we just have to wait for a while. Okay, complete your DocSend setup and activate the account. Now here we are going to add a name and password. So my name is Marcus Stanelius. And I'm going to add a password. I agree. Next. Then personalize. How did you hear about DocSend? Media mention, search engine. How do you plan using? You just choose like how are you going to use DocSend, and then let's just press let's go. Here we are going to add a name and email. So what you can do is to simply invite other people and then skip this step. You can also install the extension, send documents directly from your inbox with the DocSend email plugins for Gmail and Outlook, install the extensions how to get the best to get DocSend, and voila, this is how you do it. And then I'm going to now show you how we can actually work with it. So what you can do, you can use example document. Let's say I'm going to have non-disclosure agreement and I'm going to click use. Okay, and now how it actually works, and let me just like show you. So first I'm going to give you the walkthrough and then we will continue. So then first thing first, we're going to see the dashboard. These are the visits, who visited our documents, recently active links. Then you're going to see some stats here. You can also view all visits. Then we have content here, and we are going to upload content right here that we can send, share, etc. Then right under it, we're going to see spaces. Spaces are a great way to share multiple documents with a single link. Spaces make great virtual deal rooms, customer onboarding portals, lightweight microsites, and more. So you see like a lot of documents in a row. Create a new space and manage existing ones here. And that's pretty much it. So we are going to also create a space here. We can present. And okay, got it. You can present and live present the content like the document. And then in a contact, track each person you have shared the document with here in contacts tab. Have a visibility into all documents you have shared with each contact and understand how they have engaged with each other across multiple visits. So here you can simply invite people, and when you're gonna like share it with someone, you would find them right here. And then accounts. Every link you share is associated with the account so that you can track which documents have been shared with whom. And that's like really similar. So you have a company and contacts are like employees of that company, of that account. So let's go to content. Let's now how you can actually add content and how the whole process works. So I'm going to click next to the share content, upload content. You have option to upload files and folders. You can upload signable document, add URL, or upload an extract zip. So let's say I'm going to upload signable document, and then I can upload it from e-signature, add URL, or extract zip, my device, and I'm going to add a file here. So I'm going to find some kind of file. Let's set profit and loss. Okay. Upload. And it's uploaded right now. And then we just have to wait. And then we are going to customize the signable fields. So what I'm going to do, this is the profit and loss for the LLC. what I can do is to, on the right side, just choose the signer role, and I can simply add a new role. So we have two roles. The first role, I will just simply add it right here, signature and date. And same with the signer 2. You have multiple fields that you can add from the name, email, company. Signature again, right here, and date. Then I'm going to click Save Fields on the bottom right. And then what I can do is Assignable, I can add a note, recent activity, add a link to share your document. That's what we're going to do. Or I can simply go here and create a link. And accounts can be used to group viewers by their organization or company. So what I'm going to do, account, let's say Sun organization. I'm going to create a new account. Then I would find it here in accounts. Require email to view. Viewers must enter an email to view the document. No, you can disable it if you want to. Allow downloading. They can download it or require name. You can have also options to when it's going to expire. So you can choose, let's say it's going to expire in 30 days. So today is September 14. I can have October 14. Then if you want, you can even add a passcode for your document. And then signature options, assign role 2. So let's say that I'm going to be the first one that is going to sign it. And then the second email is going to be my next email. I'm going to show you even how to sign the document. Access control, allow the viewers. Viewers must enter an email that matches the email or domain. And that's pretty much it. So what I can do now is just simply click create a link. Your link has been created. I can simply copy it and look at this. So these are the links for net profit and loss. I can see it right here. I can even create multiple links if I want to. So now what I can do is to simply open it. See, name and email. But let's say that I'm going to edit also right here. So let's say I'm going like this. And I will add a name, Marcus, and email address. Like this, but I'm going to show you if we get the email in my Gmail account. I'm going to check it out. So we still didn't get it, but this is pretty much it how we can do it. So when I'm going to open it right now, continue. And as you can see, we have the signature right here. Marcus signature and accept signature and date for today. I agree. Document completed. And when we have it, when I'm going to refresh the website here, you see here, activity, e-signature. We got it right here. You can even download the signed document. You can check out the stats, how much time they actually spent, the device, a location here. So you see everything with the name. And now when I'm going to even click on the contacts, I can see the last activity. Like I can see the name of the contact here. And then under contacts on accounts, I can also see the Sun organization. So these are the two things how we can do it. And this is how you can easily send a document in a DocSend. Of course, you can again upload the content, but let's say we have the non-disclosure agreement template here. Same thing, I can go to top right, create a link for the link, and the process is always the same, right? And you can share the link with everyone you want. So now I want to show you the last thing, and that's how you can actually create spaces and how it actually works with spaces. So what you need to do is go top right, let's click create a space. And we already know this. And what you can do, this is the first space that we have. Let's say this would be Office Documents. You can add subtitles. And I can add a content. And I can simply add a new content. Upload the file. Upload. Import. And you just choose them. And add to space on the bottom right. And look at this. And here we are, we have the Office Documents. And on our right side, I can again add a content. I can under it create a folder or check out the permissions. I have also other options here. I can change the background image. I can remove the background image or add a logo, align center. Or I can duplicate the space. I can even put it to trash. I can invite on left side people. And then you can simply click here on a share. Create a shareable link. And this is the same style, account, sun, organization that we have. And you would choose everything here. Require emotes to view, access control, allowed viewers, allow downloading. You can have it, create a link, and voila. Now when I'm going to open the link, look at this. Now everyone in my organization, they can simply open the documents, and let's say these are the onboarding really important documents that you want to share with every single new customer, or let's say these are the office documents in my company for everyone to know and to like sign up, and you could easily send them in. So this is how it works, and it's really easy and really simple how we can work with DocSend. So definitely my recommendation is use DocSend. And it's nothing to be like afraid of. And yeah, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. In a presentation, I don't know what else to really show you. You can like present the document here for other people when they would go in. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can use DocSend. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.